palm routine, you're going to be facing the back. So the windows are the back, and the way I am facing is the front. So starting off, you're going to have your right foot in a dig, and your arms are going to come up all the way to a rocket on top of your head. Then we're going to do game day claps, which are going into T. You're going to shift your weight to the right and then back to the left when you clap. You're going to do 3 of those, and then you're going to clean, bringing it to your shoulders and breaking it through. So, now facing the back, you have your right in the dig, arms come up, shake, clap, 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 and clean. Now, you are bringing your right arm around in a rainbow down to low V as your left hand is going to be on your hip. So you're here, clap, 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 down, shoot it around. Your left hand is then going to break through from your chest all the way down to your palm while your left foot is going to dig out. So here, dig, hit. You're going to bring it up and then break through. After that, you're going to go from T with your right hand down, and your weight will shift to your right, T, down. And as you notice, I'm going on releve once I hit that broken T, and then sitting down on my hip when I go to the right, and the same goes for with the left. Then you're going to take a 3-step turn towards the right, 1, 2, 3, and clean how we did in the beginning while picking up your left foot. After that, now we're getting more into the technical part. It speeds up in the music, and you're going to go down, down in low V. You're going to take 2 steps, 1, 2. Then you're going to cross with your right in front, high V with your right, and then on your left, your hand comes to your head. So, you just clean. Low, low, cross, V. You're going to circle down with your right, jump together, and grab your hands. So, low, low, cross, V, and jump. After this, you're going to go hip to the right. My left hand is on top of my right. Bring it out, and then hip to the left. You're going to have a second hold, and then you're going to go hit, hit, hit. So it goes right, left, right. And as you can tell, it comes to your hip, your right hip. After that, you're going to T, and your body kind of swings with your head. Swing. You're going to tuck down to your left leg. Your left arm is behind your back. Your right arm is in line with your foot, and then you're going to snake up your leg. Okay, so let's go from, and we clean. Low, low, cross, V, down, up, hip, and hip, hit, 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 V, and snake. So after you snake, you go with the check marks. You step right, and your right arm is up, your left one's behind your back. Step, switch. So you just snake, check, mark. You're going to go down, your legs are together, feet are together, down, pop out, and diagonal. So, you just sneak up, check, check, down, and hit. Break it through, and then ripple it up. Got it? And as you can see, my hands are together, and your palm is just going to go in a circle motion to hit here. Okay, so let's go from the V's. V, and hit. Circle, hit, hit, and punch. Round, snake. Check marks are next. Hit, down, and V. Hit, down, and around. Got it? Alright, let's put that from the beginning. So you're here. Ripple it up. Clap, clap, boom, V, and circle, hip, and hip, punch, circle, down, up, check marks, hip, hip, down, and diagonal, and ripple it up. Now that we're here, you are going to do the same thing that we kind of did in the beginning. Swoop down, feet are together. Then you're going to ball change, back, front. So your left foot will be now in front of you. After that, you're going to prep out, prep for a right pirouette. You can do a double or a single. So you're going to turn, arms here, 1, 2, lay down in second, and then you're going to diagonal punch, 3, 4. So you prep, turn, out, and hit, hit. You're going to swing your arm, your right arm, to your head, and swing your left arm to your head. Right, jump, left, jump. Got it? Okay. So let's take that from check marks. Check, mark, down, and diagonal, break it through, ripple it up, around, step through, prep, turn, out, and hit, hit. Once you hit, you are going hip and hip. Good. Okay, so next you just did hip and hip. You're going to bring it around and then push it through. So as you can tell, my hands are here from our previous step, going around the first time, and then you are going to slide it through your body down. And these are kind of behind your back. Boom. After that, you're going to do punches. This is on the word clap. It says, I can make your hands clap, da, 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 da. So it goes here. You're going to punch right, left, down. So go right, da, 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 da. Right, left, down. Okay, so you're here. Boom, boom, around, push. Then you go hit, 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 snake up. After that, you're going to go down, hips, hold, and then clap, 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 clap. All right, let's take that one check mark. So you go check, down, and hit. Break it through all the way up. Step through and prep. Turn, hit and hit. Turn and up, around, break through. Hit, 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 hit. Snake up, down, hold, hit, 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 hit. All right. After you hit, you cross in front of you at chest level, break it down to V. Boom, hit. And as you can tell, I had a shift in weight going to the left. After this, so what you do is you punch L and shift your weight as you go. So punch L, rocket, right, left, right. Punch L, right, left, right. To the side, drag, step with your right, cross with your left. So you go step right, step left, and you're going to kick with your right leg. Your arms are going to be in L. They go V, cross, L. To pivot to your right, slide, cross your arms to kick. After that, you're going to turn down, and then you go punch, 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 down. So, with that part, you are going to, here, BMV, drag all arms, low V, step on your right, cross, step on your left, kick, and have your arms in an L. You can go umbrella V or flat foot. Once you kick, you are going to turn underneath yourself, and then step in front with your right, low V, T, high V, close. Then you are going to go, I call these a DCC, swing, Your right foot will pick up and step. Your left arm will go up. Then you're going to switch with the other foot. And then 2 hips will be on this one. And then you pose.
Somebody save your soul, 'cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want the good life every good night, you're a high one to hold. 'Cause you don't even know I can make your